Two legs. Okay. Ready? No, I don't think he'll do it anymore. He won't let me lift his arms up. Winning! No? That funny? Winning! Why? I'm tired of acting like I'm normal. Like I don't have tiger blood and I'm a total rock star from Mars. Yeah? One baby. 2 legs. No dad. No mom. By myself. Yeah? Crawling. 1 pillow. No case. 1 cell. 1 jab. Me. By myself. That funny? Yeah?